We spent 83 hours in the Trans-Siberian train.
And here are the 7 things you should know about it.
First things first, if you are a backpacker, take the 3rd class. You don't need any travel agencies. The cheapest way to buy tickets is straight from the official ticket office or from the official webpage. ICECAMELS managed to buy tickets straight from the Moscow train station without using a single word in Russian, so can you.
There are 2 different kinds of seats, 4 on the cabin side and 2 on the aisle side. The cabin side has a few more advantages. More storage room, a little bit more privacy, and you can open the window. Here on the aisle side, the lower bunk works as a table on a daytime and as a bed on a nighttime. The little downside is also that there's people all the time walking back and forth.
There are 2 electricity sockets in every cabin, but nothing on the aisle side. And the lights go out around 10 o'clock, so remember to bring with you extension cord and headlight.
Samovar, fat boy's best friend. Hot pot full of hot water, available 24/7. Load your bags with porridge, noodles and chai and enjoy the ride.
There are 2 toilets in each wagon and they're both equipped with mirror, sink and of course the toilet seat. ICECAMELS recommends you to bring with yourself soap and toilet paper to keep yourself as fresh as the Prince of Bel Air. The train stops few times a day and every stop lasts about 30 minutes or something. And here you can buy food, drinks and sweets from the local kiosks with a little bit cheaper price than from the restaurant wagon. And don't stress out missing the train, the staff will look after you.
The train has a lovely restaurant. It's open from 8 AM to 10 PM. You can also find a menu in English. Main courses are around 70 euros and beer around 3 euros. Vegetarian options are also available, but now it's time for some cold beer.
Those were the 7 things you should know about the Trans-Siberian train. The atmosphere was great and the people were very friendly. Atte, what do you think?
We highly recommend it to check it out yourself, and thanks for watching.